activate your AdSense account. To activate your account, you'll need to connect your site, provide your payment address, and depending on your country, verify your phone number. First, let's connect your site. Copy the code from your AdSense homepage and paste that code into the HTML of your page right after the head tag. Add your AdSense code to all pages on which you want to show ads. It's important to note that the website editor you use will affect how you go about this step. When you're finished, check the box and click Done. If you need more assistance, visit our Help Center or the support forum for the tool you're using. Next, you'll need to provide an address so you can receive your payments. Enter your address and your full name as it appears on your banking information. This information is crucial to receive your payments without any problems, so make sure that your name and address are accurate. Third, verify your phone number. Phone number verification is not required in all countries, but if it's required for you, you'll see a prompt on your AdSense homepage. Enter the phone number you want to verify here. If you've previously verified a phone number for Google, you'll see your number listed in the phone number field. You can choose to use this phone number for AdSense and skip the rest of the phone verification process. If this isn't the case for you, choose whether you'd like to receive your verification code by text or voice call and click Get Verification Code. On the next page, enter the 6-digit verification code that you received from us and click Submit. Once these steps are complete, we'll review your site. If we don't spot any policy violations, we'll finalize the setup of your account. This usually takes less than a day, but may take longer. We'll let you know when your account is fully activated, so you can get started monetizing your site. For more information, check the AdSense Help Center on support.google.com/AdSense. Control the ads displayed on your site. Blocking ads will result in less revenue, so only consider doing so if you have a sensitive audience. While there are many ways to block ads from appearing on your site, we'll focus on the most used ones: blocking ads by advertiser URL, by general and sensitive categories, and by creative via the Ad Review Center. First, let's get started with blocking ads by advertiser URL. Sign in to your AdSense account. Navigate to the Allow and Block Ads tab. In the top menu, you'll see all the different ways you can block ads. Click on the Advertiser URLs tab. In the field, put in a destination URL you'd like to block. Click Block URLs, and they're blocked. You can also block a subdomain. Next, I'll show you how to block ads by general and sensitive categories. To block ads by general or sensitive categories, click on the General Categories tab or in the Sensitive Categories tab, and use the slider to block the desired categories, blocking certain categories if you think your visitors shouldn't see ads in that category. You can also block a subcategory. This feature is only available in certain countries, so click the Help Center article on screen if you'd like to see if your country is included. Finally, let's walk through how to block ads via the Ad Review Center. The Ad Review Center is a tool that lets you review individual ads and choose whether to let them show on your pages. It's great if you want more transparency and control over the ads appearing on your sites. To block an individual ad or piece of creative, go to the Ads tab in Ads Review Center. Once there, click on the ad or creative you'd like to block. You can also block an AdWords account. To do that, hover over the ad, click the drop-down menu, and choose Block this AdWords account. If you notice that an advertiser still shows on your page, please check our troubleshooter for more information. When you block ads, be aware that it could have an adverse effect on your revenue, since fewer advertisers will be in the auction for space on your site, so wield your blocking power wisely. In this video, we'll discuss our payment process, so you'll have a better idea of when you'll get paid. There are 4 steps you need to complete to get paid. You'll need to provide your tax information, confirm your name, address, and PIN, select your form of payment, and meet the payment threshold. Let's walk through how to provide your tax info. This isn't required in all locations. To learn more, click the link on screen. In your account, click on the settings icon in the upper right, then choose Payments. In the left sidebar, click Payee Profile Page. In the Tax Information section, click Update Tax Information. If you're required to enter your information based on your location, a tax wizard will guide you through the process. Next, you'll need to confirm your payee name, address, and PIN. To confirm your address and payee name, click on the settings icon again and select Payments. Next, select Payee Profile from the left sidebar, then click Edit. Update your payment address in the address fields, then click Save. To verify this information is correct, we'll mail a personal identification number to your payment address when your earnings reach the verification threshold. Your PIN will be sent by standard post and normally takes 2 to 3 weeks to arrive, but in some countries it can take 5 to 6 weeks. If you don't receive your PIN within this time frame, visit the troubleshooter on the AdSense Help Center. When you receive your PIN, enter it in your account following the instructions on the mailer. This must be done before we can issue payment, so be sure to confirm your information is accurate. Next, you'll need to select your form of payment. Depending on your payment address, you may be able to choose from a number of payment options, including electronic funds transfer, EFT, EFT via Single Euro Payments Area, SEPA, wire transfer, checks, Western Union Quick Cash, and Rapida. To add your payment details, once again click the settings icon and select Payments, then click Payment Settings. Next, click Add New Bank Account or Add New Form of Payment in the Available Forms of Payment section. Follow the instructions to choose your preferred form of payment and click Save. You're all set. The fourth step and final step is to meet the payment threshold. The payment threshold is the level at which your account balance must reach before you will be paid. So let's say it's the end of June and your payment threshold is $100. On the 3rd of July, your estimated earnings for June are finalized and posted to your payment history. If your balance reached $100 in June, you've completed all the previous steps in this tutorial, and your account is in good standing, an approximately 21-day processing period would begin, and usually by the end of the month, you should receive your payment. This time frame is an estimation and assumes your account remains compliant with our policies. If your current balance hasn't yet reached the $100 threshold by the end of June, your earnings will roll over to July and your balance will accrue until the threshold is met. Building a multi-screen compatible site is a key step to growing your audience and revenue in the long term. In this video, we'll share some monetization tips covering responsive ad units, mobile ad sizes, ad placements, and an additional resource, the Page Speed Insight tool, that will help you enhance your site's user experience on a smartphone. Now let's dive in. First, let's talk about responsive ad units. If you built your site using responsive web design, responsive ad units will make the most of it by automatically fitting across screen sizes. If you've built a separate mobile site, there are multiple ad sizes at your disposal that you can use throughout your digital content. Using a responsive ad unit will allow your site to show the most appropriate ad size according to your user's device, and will help you maximize your revenue potential. Create a responsive ad unit by visiting the My Ads tab, just as you would a regular ad unit. When you create an ad unit, make sure Responsive is selected. It's already the preferred option in AdSense. Click Save to get the code. Copy the code, then paste it into the HTML source code of your page where you'd like the ad to appear. Keep in mind it will dynamically inherit the size of your parent container. If this ad isn't doing what you need it to do, you can modify the code to specify either a general shape, like a horizontal, vertical, and/or rectangle, that your ad unit should conform to, or an exact size for your ad unit via CSS. We don't recommend using these advanced features unless you're confident about modifying your ad code, so be aware of that before you go crazy. Let's move on to mobile ad sizes. We offer various sizes for text and image ads. For mobile ad sizes, we recommend a large mobile banner, which is 320 by 100, and a medium rectangle, which is 300 by 250. To provide a better user experience and drive enhanced revenue impact, we recommend you start tailoring your ad placements for multi-screen. For example, you can use a 320 by 100 ad just above the fold of the first page, and two 300 by 250 ads integrated with content. You want your ads to be seen by your users without harming their experience or violating AdSense policies, so keep in mind the following. You can only place one ad per screen, and a 300 by 250 ad should only appear below the fold, meaning the user has scrolled the page. The Google PageSpeed Insights tool can help you analyze the content of your pages and give you targeted suggestions to improve the performance of your site for mobile and desktop users. You'll get greater details on speed optimization, configuring and sizing content to the viewport, using legible font sizes, size tapping targets appropriately, and how to avoid plugins. Understand your earnings and gain additional insights. Log into your account. Now click on the Performance Reports tab. The first thing you'll need to do is select the report type you'd like to use to break down your performance data. There are a number of options you can choose from to break down your data. For instance, you can see how different ad units or sites compare to each other, or how traffic from mobile and desktop compare. To limit your report to the data that interests you the most, you can apply filters. You can then select a family of metrics for your report. Each family represents one of the ways you make money from ads, so they're either based on one of the bid types or on a specific ad type, for example, clicks. To analyze a specific set of days, choose a date range or select from a list of quick dates. You can also compare data from two different date ranges. If you're going to use this report more than once, just click Add to My Report. Your saved reports can be found under My Reports on the left navigation bar. You can also select a pre-built report from the left navigation bar. And that's it. The power of information is a beautiful thing, isn't it? In this video, we'll discuss viewability and how you can make the most of this valuable metric. Viewability is the measurement of a viewable ad impression within a user's browser. The Interactive Advertising Bureau, IAB, says an ad is considered viewable when 50% of the ad's pixels are visible in the browser window for one continuous second. As an AdSense publisher, maximizing the ad viewability of your site may increase RPM, as viewable ads have a higher likelihood to be clicked on. This may also lead to additional investment from advertisers. 3 tips to help you improve your ad viewability are ad position, ad sizes, and site performance. Let's start with ad position. The most viewable position is not at the top of page, but rather right above the fold. This is the highest viewable ad position across both desktop and mobile web. Ad sizes can have a large impact on your viewability. The most viewable ad sizes are vertical units. Not a surprise, since they stay on screen longer as users move around a page. You can improve your site performance by optimizing for speed and increasing responsiveness. To improve your speed optimization, use Google's Test My Site to analyze the content of your web page. It'll then generate suggestions to reduce latency and make the page load faster. When pages load faster, ads load faster, and therefore viewability rates can go up. Be sure to use responsive layouts to optimally display site content on different devices such as smartphones, tablets, and desktop. This helps mobile audiences engage more and again increase your viewability rates. Now you're on your way to improving your viewability rates.
15 words to sum up 15 years.
That's easy.
Okay, let's go.
Content.
Content is at the heart of the web.
And publishers?
You power that web. Without you, the place would be quite empty.
Ads.
Ads bring the revenue that helps to fund it all, while helping you reach your
Goals.
goals like growing your business, doing something you love, and sharing it with the world, creating
Memories.
so many good memories. You've told us that AdSense has funded your weddings, helped you buy your homes, or hire new teams. We feel part of your
Community.
a community that grows with you recommending us. Thank you.
Beginnings.
It's been 15 years since we ran our first ads. They were text only back then.
Today,
Today, AdSense is truly global. Urdu, Japanese, or French, we speak 45 languages and counting.
change.
Is constant, especially on the web. We've been evolving with you and your audience needs for the past 15 years to help you provide the best possible.
Experiences.
As the look and feel of websites have improved over the years, we've built native ads to complement them, while always giving you the
Control.
to decide what type of ads will show on your site.
Platforms.
All of them. Mobile, video, and whatever will come next, we have you covered.
Time.
Saved. With smart, automated ad placements, keeping things simple for you so that you can focus on creating great content.
Simplicity.
Always. Our team's goal, making it easier to grow your business. Okay, and last but not least,
Happy birthday.
absolutely. 15 years is a milestone we should all celebrate, but the web doesn't wait, so